Hi, welcome back to my channel. So we are doing another book review. This one's a children's book, Treasured Tales of Childhood, Stories About People. Just love this image. Isn't it cute? Okay, let's take a look. So we have 11 inches tall by 8 3/4. And then it has a little over a 1/2 inch spine. So this is a hardcover. This is what the spine looks like if you see it on the shelf. Looks like there's different volumes. So this is number 3 by the Southwestern Company. Here's the back. So it looks like these. Oh, okay. So I see. There's different volumes for with the stories in it. So this is Jack and the Beanstalk, Rumpelstiltskin, The Princess Who Never Laughed, The House That Jack Built, The Boy at the Dike, Teeny Tiny Tale, Nobody Listens to Andrew, and Benny and the Bear. So there must be several of these. So let's take a look. Again, it's by the Southwestern Company. And let me get my little handy dandy MCMs. Let's 1900, 50, 61. So 1961. This is a 1961. Jack and the Beanstalk cover. Oh, wait a minute. Sorry. So these are each different stories or different published dates. The contents of this volume have been previously copyrighted as follows. Okay, so the copyright of this book is 1974. Okay, got it. And look at that. It's sewn in signatures, so you can cut the strings and use this entire page for your journals. Look at this beautiful, beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that. It is just gorgeous. I love these colors and the illustrations. And the type is larger type, but look at that. Isn't that cute? So I'm gonna thumb through it really quick. This is somewhat of a larger book with lots of pages. So here's Rumpelstiltskin. Beautiful colors. Love the rich pink, the purple. Okay, here's The Princess Who Never Laughed. Okay, The House That Jack Built. Oh, look at that type of illustrating. Little flower dress. The Boy at the Dike. So this is obviously about like Holland or Dutch. Yep. How cute. Matter of fact, how appropriate, huh? Look at that little tiny little Dutch little thing. A little that I got out of Mary's Haul. Sorry. Isn't that cute? That would be cute to go on a Dutch book. Just like this. See, look at that. I just had to show you. Because it was just like it. The Teeny Tiny Tale. This has kind of got like retro colors and like geometrical shape type illustrations. Cute. Nobody Listens to Andrew. Why doesn't anybody listen to Andrew? Let's take a look. Oh, these are really cute. This kind of reminds me a little bit like a Dick and Jane type look to the pages or to the story. Here's Benny and the Bear. It is so much fun seeing the insides of books, and then that way, if you're looking for something like this, then you know exactly what to look for online. So I hope I help people try to find books by doing these. So that's Treasured Tales of Childhood, Stories About People. And that was the third volume of that one. All right, thank you so much. Bye.